Hey guys, so today I'm unboxing my pop socket, and it came today. I can't show the other side because it has my address on it, but it's in here and I can feel it, and I got a black and white one, and this is my phone. This is the case it's going to go on, so let's open it. Okay, so I didn't look at it, but you guys can get the first look. Don't look. My sister's watching me film. Okay, so now me. Oh, I like it a lot. You see it? Look how pretty, and the back is black. I like it. So at the back it says, pops twice, closes flat, and it's movable. And you can get, and it can hold your phone like that, and you have two of them, and it can hold your headphones, and it's for better grip. And you can go online and customize it, and I just see the website. And you can go to popsockets, I'll put it on the screen, popsockets.com. So yeah, so I'm gonna put it on my phone. So the first thing you're gonna do is just take it off like that. Oh, I really like it. So yeah, and then it pops twice. And there's going to be a sticky part, so I'm going to take that off. And, oh, wow. It's really sticky. So I'm going to place it on where I want it, and I think I'm going to put it right here. Maybe. Yeah, so let's just see how that feels. If anything, I'll try to take it off. Okay, so I put it on, and I think that's perfect. I like it. I put it on literally perfect. So it pops up twice, and mine is all black, so it can't get dirty, so I like that. And this is it, and it pops up twice. I'm gonna test it out by texting and doing a Musical.ly. So I'm gonna text my sister, and don't worry, you can't see her number. So I'll lower down the brightness so that you can see. So I'm going to text her. Okay, so I'm gonna write, hey, what are you doing? So turn on stupid brightness. So you can kind of see it. I said, hey, what are you doing? So that I'm gonna rate about a 10 actually, because it actually makes me type faster instead of having to hold it like that. When I can just have it like that and just type. So yeah, and now I'm going to do a Musical.ly. By the way, if you want, you can follow me on Musical.ly. It's Alyssa_Rangio. I'll put it somewhere on the screen so you can see it. So yeah, and I'm going to pick a song to do. So I'm gonna go to White House. Right now it's some people's. So I'm getting it from Flight House. My sister's watching, so she's kind of distracted. Okay, so I honestly think it helps so much, and go follow me on Musical.ly. I put it up to see if I posted that. So you're not gonna know if I posted it yet. So I tested it, and this is my pop socket. I like it a lot. I really think you guys should get it. Go check out the link down below. Get yourself a pop socket. So that was the end of this unboxing video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you didn't already. And comment down below any video suggestions you think I should do on the upcoming videos. Bye.